The level we got today is a ceiling fan, just a very small one. I want to say it's like a 36 inch. See, it's in like gold brass. You see the little plastic stop where a light would have been. I really don't know what type of fan this is. It has like a SMC bracket. She says one daughter fan bracket. Okay, start it off on low. Alright, change it to the south side. Alright, thank you. You're welcome to do. I was like, I don't think I'd be able to do. And the motor's in pretty good health. I mean, it makes a very slight humming sound on medium and high. I guess that's just because it's probably a single capacitor fan. See, there's just a very light amount of tarnishing on the bottom part of the switch cap. Go to the medium now. I can kind of hear the bearing. You hear the hum? There's a very small splat of paint there on the motor housing. I've always liked how the ceiling fans look. I can't explain why I like ceiling fans. There's just always like this different variations and designs and such they come. So high we go. You can see by that little wiggling pendant. It is. It looks like wobble, but other than that, it's pretty much style. I'm not sure if you can hear it. I'm not sure my full microphone will pick it up, but you can probably hear one noise or not. Okay, let's see. It does put off a pretty decent breeze. Something's up there. I'm not exactly sure what that something is. Oh, never mind. It's part of the cloth from the vent holes. Turn it back to its original speed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and more to come.